Alrighty, home stretch. So I've already gone and punched out the centers to each of the circles and did a little test fit here. It works great. So what I did here is I countersunk with an 1.25 inch Forstner, and on the other side I met it halfway with an 1 inch Forstner. That way the little bolt sits flush but still has something to bite into, so I can screw this into it. Alright, all the holes are drilled with their countersinks. I'm going to hammer these little PVC bolt things into place, and then we should be about done. Alright, you see I got some tear out here and here, not a big deal. I can either make that go away, or you could just screw the thing straight into them. They'll go back into place, it's fine. I'm gonna finish assembling this and we'll be just buttoning up now. So as a recap, I take the left wire always. It goes through this 1/4 inch hole and into the switch. Then I take the extra wire that we bought and run it from the switch back through the 1/4 inch hole as a pigtail into the wire nut. I gather up these 3 and put them in here along with another pigtail that runs off on its own to the hot side of this lamp wire. The same thing with the neutral wires, except the neutral wires, always being the right side of the motor, I just put them together, the 3 right wires on all 3 of these motors. I put them together with this pigtail that runs over and meets the other pigtail to the wire, the power cord. Okay, I do the same thing. I match those three up. I match these 3 up, and then they meet in the middle. Okay.